Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Coinmarketcap portfolio. First, head over to Coinmarketcap and log in. Once you've logged in, you'll see this section here called Portfolio. Simply click on it. A portfolio basically just shows you how much you have in a certain cryptocurrency. As you can see here, you can see my portfolio. If I click on Overview, you can see I have 1.34 BNB coin, which is worth roughly $736.86. In order for you to create a portfolio, all you need to do is click on Create Portfolio over here on the right side. You can connect your wallet or connect a simple account, or you can just add transactions manually. I prefer to add transactions manually, as that way I don't need to connect anything to my CoinMarketCap account. You can add a portfolio name and change the avatar, and then click Create Portfolio. Now you'll see your portfolios here on the left-hand side. What you need to do is add transaction. Let's say, for example, I owned any Bitcoin. I can choose Bitcoin. I can choose how much of it I own, add any fees or notes that I have, and then click Add Transaction. And now it will show my portfolio as if I had one Bitcoin. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.